Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to share images from Pinterest on your social media group. For example, on WhatsApp. So you click on the image you want to share. Now you can see it's beautiful. Now, if you click on the three dots at the top here, you see options. You will not see any option for sharing or for copying the link. But this is not the link you want to copy, actually the image you want to share. So you have to first download the image. Give it a few seconds to download. The image is downloaded. Then you go to your files or your storage. You see the image I've downloaded. Among my recent, I can see it. So I click on it, click on share at the top here, and then click on the social media platform you want to share it on. I want to share on WhatsApp, so I click on WhatsApp. I want to share on my status, I click on my status, and I click on send. And that's it, my image is sending status updates, and very soon my son will get over the image. That's how to share images directly. That's how to share images from Pinterest to any social media platform.